our second testimony, import to. Oh, import. Why? You ask me why? Kasi she's from Europe. From Europe? She just came from Sweden. Attended our gala dinner in Thailand. From Thailand, punta ng Manila, pumunta ng Leyte to do an OPP like this. From Leyte to Cloban, saan pa ba? Madami pa siya napuntahan. And then she came here tonight just to share her testimony. Mura ba yun? Mura? Mahal pang masahe? Mahal! But imagine, we are very, very, very blessed tonight because she can say no. Tama? But because of how grateful she is to Ringway, she just joined September last year. But today, from Sweden to Thailand to probinsya sa Leyte to Manila, she's willing to stand here in front of us to share her testimony. So are you all excited to listen to our second testimony?
Yes!
Alam niyo, pag matagal hindi nakabukas yung bibig, mangangamoy yun. Okay? So let me ask you again, are you all excited to listen to our second testimony?
Yes!
Without further ado, please help me welcome our leader all the way from Sweden, Ate Lisa Nilsson. Let's give her a big, big round of applause.
Hello everyone and good evening. Just bear with me because I am not used to talk in front of a crowd. I'm really that introvert. But today I'm learning to be this open. But before I talk about this, I am so grateful with the company because of Ringway that helped me a lot with all of my health problems. I was working as an assistant nurse in Sweden for 12 years. And after 12 years, I became sick. Alam niyo yung feeling na hindi ka nakakahinga? Even a second. That was my problem for 5 years. Sweden has this technology, very advanced, very articulate, and the medical, everything is free. You can meet every doctor you want to meet. Lahat ng pwede mong gawing check-ups, you can do that. But nothing helped me. Lahat ng doctors na na-meet ko, they can find what is wrong with my body. I've been to different PTs, been to acupuncture for 6 months from head to toe. Imagine na lang ganyan kasakit. Every other week, I had to do that. Then, I've also been through to 24 sessions of psychological. I met three psychologists because the doctor told me maybe it's only psychological. Because when I cannot breathe, it will be anxiety after. After anxiety, I will faint because I can't breathe. Mainit lang, na stress ako, na nagalit lang ako. But especially pag mainit, di ko talaga kaya. Lumakad lang ako konti. Pag mayaman siya ng sakit, na hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Kasi tayong mahihirap, kailangan natin mag-work because we can't live without working. Kailangan natin ng financial solution sa lahat ng bagay, di po ba? But I can't. Even if I want to breathe, I can't breathe. Tapos dumating na yung time na one day, alam niyo yung feeling na sinasabi ng tao na naghahabol ka na ng last breath mo? I've been there. Na nangungunyapit na ako sa wall. Ay, nag-iisa ako that time. My husband was not at home. Yung nagkahulog-hulog na ako because I was trying to climb kasi inaabot ko yung air. Just to breathe. Na lahat ng pwedeng ibigay sa akin ng asawa ko, I am very, love ako masyado ng asawa ko na even the last penny in his pocket, he will give to me. Pero wala siyang magawa. Kasi na-meet ko na lang ng doctors sa Sweden. Even pag nauwi ako dito sa Pilipinas, lagi ako nasa emergency room. Suki ako ng emergency. Kasi kaya natutuwa sa akin yung may-ari ng hospital. Kasi kumikita sila sa akin, ako ang naghihirap. Sila yung mayaman because of me. Then yun yung time na yung sabi ko na naghabol ako ng hininga. That was the moment na sabi ko, ito na yata ang last day ko. But yung willpower ko, malakas. Because I was thinking about my children, I was thinking about my husband na may iwan ko. Kasi hindi kaya ng husband ko kung ako mauuna. Tapos yung mga anak ko, wala pa akong apo. I want to meet my apos muna before that time comes. Of course, lahat tayo papunta doon, di po ba? But nag-hope tayo na sana bigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng longer life. At that time, hindi na talaga ako makahinga, nahulog na ako sa sofa, naggulong-gulong na ako kasi hinahabol ko talaga yung hininga ko. I prayed to God. Sabi ko na sana habaan pa niya ang buhay ko. Baka meron pa akong purpose na hindi ko pa alam kung ano. And He answered my prayer. Naka-recover ako that time and I was so thankful. Then, to make the story short, wala akong social media for years. Mula nang nauso si Facebook, wala ako niyan. Kaya pag may namimit ako na friends and mga katrabaho ko, alam mo yung feeling mo, caveman ka, kasi sabi nila, what? You don't have Facebook? Sabi ko, anong meron ko walang Facebook? Because the doctors told me not to. Kasi madali akong ma-stress. Na-stress na ako, nagkaka-anxiety ako kaagad. So I can't. But last year, I started to have social media. After opening social media, so the friends came along, ano na. Then I met my long-lost friend, who is the wife of my elementary school classmate. And we had this video call. And she told me na hindi ako makahinga. And she asked me why. I told her this is my problem for 5 years na. And she said, I want you to introduce to the product that I am taking, which is good. Then I asked her, ano yan? And she said, stem cell, it's 4th year. I told her, I know stem cell because I am an assistant nurse by profession, sterile technician by profession. So I told her, sige, itanong ko kay husband. Kasi tinanong ko, it's expensive, it's pricey. Pag ganitong mga mahihirap lang tayo, of course, it's our first impression. Mahal yan. Di po ba? We will think first kung kaya natin yan. But I asked my husband, and the hubby told me, why not try it? Kasi sabi niya, para sa Tagalog, ang pera nahahanap. Pero, Matagal na tayo naghahanap ng solution for you. Hindi natin nahanap. Maybe this will help. Ang mga Swedish, skeptical po yan. Hindi yan basta-basta naniniwala ng kung ano-ano. Because dahil sa condition ko, nasabi ko nga, kahit last penny niya, ibibigay niya sa akin, we tried. Nag-order ako, nag-purchase ako from my upline, Mimi, and Evelyn, which is my upline here in Manila. But in Europe, my upline is Sir Alan Kang. Because I am a European distributor, the Privy International. So the first night that I took that 2 capsule, I am an insomniac for 25 years, diabetic for 25 years. I can't sleep. I have trouble eating. I have all this, lahat ng problema na sa loob ko na yata. Tapos, I am easily to be tired. I am easily to have depression. Depression to anxiety. Kasi ang Sweden ay malamig. Laging, lalo pag winter time, nagising mo madilim. Pag uwi mo, madilim pa rin. Mostly wala kang social life. Pag summertime lang doon, parang mga langgam ang tao because mainit and may araw. That night, I took two pieces of that capsule. I slept like a baby. Na hindi ko na-experience kahit nag-work ako for 12 years kasi nagtatrabaho ako even ang shift ko pang umaga. Ang tulog ko lang 1 or 2 hours a day. Kasi insomniac na ako. That night, diabetic ako. Suki ako ni CR sa night iba, gano'n ng mga diabetic. Hindi ko na malaya na umihi ako. And nagising ako the day after, 10 a.m. in the morning. But that time, hindi pa siya na-realize na because of stem cell. Sabi ko lang, oy, I'm feeling better today. Because I started to smile. For how many years hindi ko marunong ngiti, I am that typical, witch na kapitbahay. Kasi hindi ako nakikipagkaibigan. Really, hindi ako nakikipagkaibigan. I am very, very hard to please. Hindi ako basta-basta nalalapitan. Maldita nga. Yan ang brand ko, Maldita. But days goes by, na nagbitake ako ng stem cell, the 4th year, ang daming changes na nung ko lang na-experience sa tagal ng panahon, na parang wala akong buhay. Yung alam mo yung gumigising ka lang, natutulog ka, pero yun ang routine mo everyday. Wala nang naiba, the usual things na kailangan mo lang gawin because you have to. Kasi kailangan matulog, kaya hindi ka makatulog. Days goes by, natututo na akong umiti. When I woke up, yun na yung sinasabing, I woke up like this. Kasi, nakasmile na ako. Ilang taon hindi ako nananalamin. Because I had this psychological trauma. Somebody told me na hindi ako maganda. O totoo, hindi na ako maganda. I'm so pangit, he said. Kaya nung nag-take na ako ng 4th year, nung ka lang na-feel, I'm beautiful. Kasi, you feel lighter. Every day you wake up, ang energy mo nandyan. Yung depression ko is gone. My allergies are gone. It helped me a lot. And especially, nakakahinga na ako. For the first time. Tagal, nahihirapan akong huminga. Na kung pwede lang bilhin yan, bibilhin ng asawa ko for me. Na 4th year lang ang nakabigay sa akin. The company. That's why I love this company. I love the product. Pilipinas because I want to share this advocacy. Na the other people na may ganitong problema, na na-experience din nila what I have experienced, na yung halos last breath mo na kung hindi mo naman mabili ng pera, ang health natin napaka-important. Kaya totoo yung sinasabi nung the first, I've heard the speaker before, she said that health is wealth. That's very, very true. And importante po talaga ang health natin. Kasi pag hindi po tayo healthy, kahit ka pa millionaire, it can't help you. Because the doctors can't help pag ang problema mo is very severe. Lalo na mostly pa pag may mga cancer po tayo, even millionaire ka po, hindi nakakatulong ang pera. But if you're healthy, you live longer, you live happy. Lahat po ay nagagawa natin if we are healthy. Pero kung ang condition po natin ay hindi maganda, we can do anything, di po ba? Kaya po, ini-encourage ko po, lahat po na nandito, first-timers, those who are thinking to purchase, thinking to purchase fourth year, you do so. It's really worth it. Every penny you have, every penny that you will spend for the first time, because mapag-awin mo rin po naman sa business side, is really, really worth it. Huwag po kayong mag-atubili or mag-second, second decision pa, you do it na. Because for me, it really helped me. Na I'm very, very thankful to the person who introduced me the product. Hanggang ngayon, thankful pa rin ako. Because nananalan na ako. I feel beautiful and I'm happy. Ang gagawin na sinasabi nila, nakakaganda siya, nakakakinis, and yung may hormonal problem ako before kasi I'm already 57. I'm 57. Siyempre, na po tayo, pagpunta ng senior, na po, we're very dry. Reality. But when I took 4th year, bumalik ko sa dati, kaya tulit ko lang sabi ko pa. It's really true. And for the boys and the girls, it's really true. Bumabalik tayo sa ating kabataan. So everybody, lahat po ng guests, sa lahat po ng leaders, sa MC po natin, everybody, let us stay healthy, let us stay